Ukuqindeliswa kwegezi seyinejayelekileke enarheni le. UNgqongqotjhe walokhu wezamandla uMamoloko Kubayi uthi umraro wegezi osahlela inarha le bekunendlela yokuvalekela. UKubayi uthi ukuphehla igezi nge-nuclear ngasele kulungile bona kungasetshenziswa njengendlela yokuphehla igezi ukube kwavunyelwa ngesikhathi nakwethulwako. Kodwa nokungavumelani ngendaba yokuphehla igezi ngokusebenzisa i-nuclear kwenze kwababudisi ukwenza nanyana yini.
From a policy point of view, you remember when I came in, there was that controversy around the nuclear build plant, which made it difficult for us to even finalize it at that time because there was allegations of corruption.
Ukubayi oqothele kubalisekela likaMengameli uthi ukulungela ukuphatha hlangana nabanye zababangisana nabesikhundlisi nguPaul Mashatile owenyule ezimfundo ezine, uRonald Lamula, Oscar Mabuyane kunye noSenzo Mqhunu.
In terms of credibility, judging me by my age, I think I have a good standing. Judging me for who I stand for and what I stand for, I think I am competent.
Ukubayi ukholelwa ekutheni usilungele lesisikhundla njengezinye ezikhona ehlanganweni.
I don't want to be just voted on by women. I want the men in the ANC to vote for me as well. So it's a balanced that they must believe, not because I'm only a woman, they must believe that I'm capable and I can lead.
Ukubayi uthi ihlangano ye-ANC isebujameni bokwenza inqundo eziqhakathekileko begodi inqundo ezo zizokuhlathulula ikusasa lehlangano le.